So if you want to make money with masternodes, if you want to invest in a coin and host the node in that particular network, as you know, you gotta do your research in every crypto project before you invest your money in. So when it comes to masternodes, we've got this website called MASTERNODES.ONLINE. Masternodes.online is a platform where we track different masternodes coin performances. Like if you look down here, the first one we've got Dash. Now this is the mother of all masternode coins. This is the mother of all masternode coins. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's why you should study your research. So it's gonna show us the price, the volume, the market cap, and the ROI, the return on investment. As you can see, the first one Dash here, the price is currently sitting at $46.98, and the market cap is 521 million US dollars, and the ROI is 6.36%. right? So what you need to check here, if you have decided that you want to invest in this coin, is to check the required amount of coins and how much they are worth. If you check here, we have got the required amount, and for Dash, the first one there, is 1000 coins, which are worth, you will see down there under MN worth, which is masternode worth, it is worth 46,000 US dollars 987. You saw that one, 46,987 US dollars. That's how much 1000 coins, Dash coins, are worth. So you will go through all these coins, you will go through each of them, do your research on each project before you decide. Let me just click on Dash here, so we can just dig in a little deeper. If you check here on the masternode stats, on a daily basis, your daily income will be $8.18. If you are hosting this Dash masternode, weekly it is $57.29, monthly it is $245.55, and yearly it will be 2,987,000 US dollars 59 cents. And this is the chart. It's pretty down right now. We're in a bear market, you know, and I think it's pretty a good time to buy. I don't know, you do your research. This is not financial advice anyway. So after you've decided on the coin that you want to or the project that you want to invest in, you have to check the markets. Which market are you going to buy that coin from? We've got different exchanges here under markets. If you look, Dash, you can buy it from txbt.io, BTC, Poloniex, Bittrex, GraphX.net, Upbeat, Crex24. And I will leave some referral links down there to some of the exchanges so that you can register and buy some of these coins and host masternodes. So after you've decided here, you need to check where you can launch that node, right? So I've got different platforms here. You can if you check here where you can launch the masternode, you can see you can launch it on Perfect Nodes, All Nodes, AP's platform, and Just Mining. That's where you can host this Dash masternode, right? But then I've got my own favorite platform that I use, and it is Kripos.io. So let me head there. So when you get here on Kripos platform, you're gonna see all the coins that are on this platform that you can be able to host or deploy masternodes on. As you can see, this one is the black hat coin. The masternode is worth $180. You can deploy it now. We've got a number of coins, but what I like the most about this platform is that if you don't have the full amount of money, if you don't have, because some nodes are expensive, like this one Sapphire here, the Masternode is worth $3,000 US. But what if you don't have that kind of money? That means, are you not going to be able to make money from Masternodes? No, you can, because this platform actually allows you to share a node with some people. If you can't host a full node, then you can share it with some people who are also investing in that project. So we click here on options, and we click here on shared Masternode, the second option, the shared Masternode. Now when we get here, you can see it's gonna give us a different coins, and it's no longer deploy, it is buy share. You can now buy a share. So even if you've got let's say $100, and the whole node, the full node is worth $3,000, and you don't have it, but you've got $100, you can buy a share. You click here on buy share. It needs me to log in here, and I don't want to log in. But once you have created your account with the link that I would have pasted on the video description down there, when you click on share there, it's gonna take you to a page where it will show you the minimum amount of coins that you can deposit into the platform. If you want to share a node, it will tell you the minimum amount of coins, because of course you can't use $1. You can't deploy a share Masternode with only $1. It's kind of unreasonable, right? You know that. But with $10, yes, you can. Even with $10, you can be able to make money with Masternodes. You share a node. So let's come here on Masternode rank, so that we can see the coins on this platform. It's gonna show us the ROI and the price of the coin. Let's check this -D. We can buy it on KgiUeXkX, on Buyrec exchange. I will share the links down there so that you can get them. These are the coin specifications, the max supply, current supply, the block reward, and all that, the ROI, the required amount of coins, and how much they are worth. You know, the active masternodes. It's got many active masternodes, the daily reward, weekly reward, and all that, the price, and the chart down here. And we are in a bear market right now. But if you look here, look where this coin is coming from. It's coming from above $1, above $1, and it's now way below. It's sitting at today is sitting at $0.0039 US. Now imagine you buy this coin today. You buy it today. When you buy it today, remember you are earning daily on Masternodes. You are earning daily, and the price goes up to $1 again. How much do you think your investment will be worth, and how much will you be making on a daily basis? It's a lot of money, and it is compounding, guys. It's compounding. You can adjust the settings. I will show you on my next video. I will make a video showing you guys how you can get through this platform, how to buy a full node, how to share a node, and how to compound your interest on a daily basis so that you can make more money. All right, see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.